Good morning, Hoover Math and Science Academy students and staff. Hi, this is Prohor coming to you live from the WHVR studio. Today is Friday, December 2nd, 2016. The temperature in the village of Schaumburg is currently 37 degrees. Later today, we're expecting a high of 40 and a low of 25 with cloudy skies. Now please stand and join us in saying our nation's pledge. Our pledge people for today are
Alexi. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
In sports, last night, the Blackhawks won overtime against the New Jersey Devils with a score of 4-3. The Bulls will play the Cleveland Cavaliers tonight at 7 o'clock. And the Bears will play the New York Giants on Saturday at noon. Justin, they will lose. The only club meeting today is Hoover Harmonics Blue Group at 11:45 in the music room. Announcements for today are: the school store will be open in the front hallway during your lunchtime. Come down and buy some supplies. Now another production studio segment of Meet the Staff, featuring third grade teacher Mrs. Nagy.
Hi, I'm Miss Nagy and I teach third grade at Hoover. Favorite subject to teach is math because I like working with numbers and challenging my students to think about numbers in different ways. And I like to read, I like to run, I travel a lot, and I like to play golf with my dad. The best part about teaching is knowing that I'm playing a part in shaping a better future for my students and watching my students grow their wealth of knowledge.
Now a message from Mr. Schmelter and Mrs. Ingram.
Thank you, Prohor. Good morning, Hoover staff and students. Happy Friday. Good morning, Mrs. Ankrum. How are you today?
I'm good. How are you?
Great. Another great video put on by the production studio.
Yeah, I loved it.
Pretty cool, Miss Nagy. Mm-hmm. All right. Any announcements?
No, I was just going to say happy Friday, everyone.
That's it?
Yeah, but you
All
took
right.
my announcement.
What was
so
your, what did I haven't made one yet.
You said happy Friday.
Okay. Mm-hmm. Yes, happy Friday. All right, let's just pull some Herbie high fives.
Okay.
I'll let you go
I'll
first.
go first. Wow, this is really full today. Awesome. Okay, here we go. We have Liz in 121. Faith in 201.
I got a twitch going on my arm today.
Do you?
I do.
Interesting. Everett in 202.
I think they want you to speak louder.
Ben in 108. Is that
Rashida.
Rashida in 202. We'll pick one more. Sanya in 108.
All right. Whoops, I just hit you. Priya in 207. Push a little harder on the pencil. All right, now my hand's not working right either. What's going on?
Falling apart.
It's Friday.
It's falling apart.
I have Evan. Looks like 206. I think I'm being set up here. I know. All right. Addison in 119. Good job, Addison. I could read that. Ryan in 119. Wow, 119. Loading up the egg. Amelia in 214. Kevin in 206. Really?
You need help?
Yeah, my thumb isn't working.
First it was your arm, now
I
it's
know,
your
it's like a
thumb.
twitch going down my whole arm into my thumb.
Colin.
Colin in 204. I got it.
Okay. You seem like you need some support.
Patience. This is a lesson in patience,
Yeah.
children.
911.
This is the last one. Congratulations to Saad in room 118. Remember to come down to the office after announcements. Have a great day or not. The choice is yours.
Okay.
You need me to stand in for you?
No.
All right, go ahead.
Thank you, Mr. Schmelter and Mrs. Ankrum. Here's today's interesting fact. Have you ever wondered how much water a fire truck holds? The typical truck holds from 400 to 500 gallons of water. But that's only enough to put out a trash bin fire. A building fire requires at least one supply line from a fire hydrant. That's all for today. This week's production has been brought to you by the Wildcats production team. Have a party with a friend on this fantastic Friday. Goodbye.